Kal Tire teamed up with a trusted third-party testing company to conduct a tire quality comparison study. Testing was ISO accredited and conducted by an independent, industry-leading organization. Our aim was to determine how quickly tires wear under the same controlled conditions before requiring replacement. In other words, how long will they last? We tested a premium, a Kal Tire Retread, and a single-use low-quality tire under the exact same conditions. The study revealed that Kal Tire's Retread tires significantly outperformed the single-use tire. The lifetime of Kal Tire's Retread nearly matched that of a new premium tire and lasted close to 3 times longer than the single-use tire, meaning you would have to buy 3 single-use tires to run the same distance of 1 premium new or Retread tire. The study also highlighted the environmental impact of single-use tires. These tires increase the amount of tire wear particle waste into the environment by 95 to 129% when driving the same distance compared to a premium or Retread tire. Kal Tire Retreads deliver long-term, total value where it matters most.